In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit video in Descript. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, Descript offers a streamlined approach to video editing that simplifies and speeds up the entire process. First things first, you need to access Descript. Head over to their website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up, which is a quick process. Once logged in, you'll want to select your account. You'll see it right there on the homepage, and it acts as your gateway to all of Descript's features. Now that you're in, it's time to select an existing project to work on. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new project by clicking the appropriate button. Descript is pretty intuitive here, guiding you every step of the way with user-friendly options. Once inside your project space, you can start adding elements to your video project. These elements can range from audio and video files to images and text. Simply click on the Elements option and select the files you wish to incorporate into your project. Drag and drop functionality makes this step as easy as pie, allowing you to arrange each component precisely how you envision them. One of the great features of Descript is its autosave capability. As you work through your edits, Descript continuously saves your progress. This means you don't have to worry about losing your work unexpectedly. However, it's always wise to check if everything is saved properly. You can do this by returning to the Home tab and opening your project again, or refreshing the tab where your project is located. This ensures that all modifications are securely stored, allowing you to pick up right where you left off without any hitch. As you navigate through your project, remember that Descript's real-time transcription makes video editing even more accessible. It allows you to edit your video just like you would a document. Highlight the text to make cuts or rearrange sections easily, and with the changes reflecting immediately in your video, it streamlines the editing process significantly. And there you have it. With the foundations laid out for you, editing in Descript becomes a seamless experience. It's the perfect blend of simplicity and power, catering to a wide array of creators from different walks of life. So dive in, explore the plethora of options available to you, and turn your vision into reality with ease. We hope this guide helps make your editing journey smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.